When you make your way to Jacksonville, you're sure to love our region. The people and the weather give you something to believe in. Visions have emerged. We've seen a surge in renovations. Our infrastructure's growing, so we've made accommodations. What's your current situation? Have you a place to build your dreams? Our 7-county region is the perfect place to be, filled with everything you need. Financial services, indeed. Come and see our drive to lead and why these companies succeed. Our utilities are advancing. We're a haven for headquarters. Our businesses are growing like there's something in the water. Blooming opportunities. Our industry is growing high. Travel through our downtowns on the roads or through the skies and witness beauty on the sides of all the buildings with our art. Culture coexists with business. Business plays its part through our advanced manufacturing, IT and innovation, our health and biomedical and modern transportation system flowing through our region like the river that we love. We love to see the sunset on our river from above. We love to see the sunrise as it floats above the beach. Dolphins play while cruises take vacationers to sea. See that cargo ships dock portside in and out with their equipment. Our water's working wonders for our leisure and logistics. According to statistics, our school districts are the top. Our talents graduating to assist you with your thoughts and bring to life your every goal within our business-friendly towns, pushing forward this economy with people who are proud to be a part of something great. Try our food and watch a game. See what sets us all apart. See what makes us all the same. See what makes us cheer so loud. It must be something in the water. Have you seen our cost of living? If you haven't, then you oughta. Plan a visit, make your way, research where you'd like to stay, because the beauty of our cities are our products on display. And there's no better time than this. There's no better place to build. Home is where you place your heart. You can fall in love with here and will make you feel at home. You can join us in our growth. Pack your visions and your goals and make your way down to our coast.